Okay, so I think there is one common problem that every single videographer has faced once in their life, and that is getting your lighting wrong. Because a lot of the times you would set up your lighting and in your edit you open on your computer and the lighting just looks completely off. I mean, it's from the wrong side, and I mean, you know, there's a million things that can go wrong with that. Luckily, thanks to Filmora's brand new update, there is a new way you can fix that. Because they just released a feature where you can completely relight your scene all in Filmora. But enough talking, let me show you how cool this is. Okay, so what I'm about to show you is actually pretty simple. So let's open Filmora and I'll show you how to do it. Okay, so as you guys can see, I am open right now in a brand new project. So let me show you how simple this really is. Firstly, what you want to do is you want to drag and import one scene that you want to have relit. Okay, so as you guys can see, I just imported my clip real quick. So this is a vertical click, so you basically just click here, widescreen, and then just say portrait, and then it will automatically make it portrait. Okay, so now we have our scene here. Now as you guys can see, it's simply a talking head video of me making a reel or whatever I did in that video. Now let's say for some reason I wasn't happy with this lighting. Basically all you want to do, you want to double press on your clip, then it's going to take you to this page, your normal, your video and your audio and everything like that. But here is a brand new feature called ReLight. Now you want to press on that. Now firstly they give you a bunch of presets you can already download and use, atmospheric exposure and every way the light changes on your face and everything like that, and I think that is pretty cool as well. But let's say you want something else, so let's go to presets here on the side, and then you simply want to press add. Now once you've pressed that, then it's gonna take the AI a bit of work to simply just process your video and everything like that. So let's just give it time for that. Okay, so once it has done its processing, obviously when it's a shorter clip it helps a lot. So let me show you how this looks so far. So just basically my shot and then whatever is on it. So let's take this frame for example. Now let's start with using all of these. Now this looks very complicated, but let me walk you through it. So basically here at the top you can decide should it be a directional light or just a point light, or yeah, so basically directional light basically means it comes from one direction, and a point light is obviously directly one point, one circle on your face. So I usually use directional light because then it's like a soft light from like the side or something like that. And then yeah, and then you can decide whether you want your people or just your background. So I'm going to select people, and then here you can start to play with the distance of your light, the light intensity, the highlights, the radius and the intensity of your light. So right now my light is on black, that's why you can see my whole image is a bit darker. So let's move it and go to white, and there you can see it's as if my entire face is coming from an extra light from the side. Now that is pretty cool, but let me show you something how cool this actually is, because now I can simply rotate it, take it up and down. I can do it from side to side, so now the light is coming from the other side of my face. Now this is all internally, this is nothing to do with anything changing the physical lights, this is all baked into Filmora. So as you guys can see there, my face looks a bit whiter on this side, and the cool thing is if I really want like an orange glow or something like that, I simply press on orange. Or if I really want to make myself blue, I can press on blue and I can change the direction of that light as well. Now I'm just gonna keep it at white at the moment, and as you guys can see, it's like my face has this beautiful light on it, and then I can obviously the light intensity and everything like that, which I think is pretty cool. So yeah, obviously you can play around with this a lot. You can even select the background, and then I can only adjust the background color if I really wanted to, or I can do both and then the entire image will get that light. So as you guys can see, I'm at orange at the moment, so the moment I press white, my entire image gets that new light on it. And I think this is an amazing feature, especially like this. For example, if I'm recording a video and I'm not happy with how it turned out, this is an amazing way to bring in that extra light, even though it takes a bit, but the AI makes it so much simpler, and I was honestly blown away if I see how good this feature works. So yeah, definitely I will use this feature in my upcoming videos. If I'm not happy with the lighting or I need some minor adjustments, this is the perfect way to start without any masking, without anything, just simply AI. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, a sub to the channel would be awesome. If you want 50% off this amazing software called Filmora, link will be in the description, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.